this is the disk partitions. So what is that? So disk partitions. So disk partitions is nothing but a while installing the Linux OS, we took 20 GB to install the OS. Install the OS, right? So while installing the Linux OS, we took 20 GB to install the Linux OS, right, guys? Oracle VirtualBox. So in this Oracle VirtualBox, so how much we took? So we took 20 GB to install the OS. Yesterday I added 20 GB, another 20 GB, guys. Just I took the 20 GB to install the OS, right? Yeah. So for that installing, so in the file system hierarchy, so where the hard disk information available, in which directory the hard disk information will be available, guys? Guys, in which directory the hard disk information will be available? Very good. Slash dev. Close dash dev. The devices. The devices info. Devices info means hard disk information. So that the hard disk information. Okay. The hard disk information will be available under the slash dev. Very good. So very good. So what are the hard disk, guys? Do you know what is the hard disk? SATA hard disk. Yeah. For example, in your mission, how many hard disks are available, guys? How many hard disks? These are the what these hard disks are. These hard disks are SATA disk. What is this? SATA disk is nothing but a S. S is nothing but a SATA. Disk is nothing but a D. SATA disk. So what these are? These are SATA disk. What is this? This is SATA disk. This is also SATA disk. Okay. So this is the physical hard disk one. So this is the physical hard disk two. So this is the physical hard disk three.
Sir,
Okay. So
the normal memory card we are buying from online, that also mention SD card. That means also same SATA disk card.
yeah. So SATA disk is nothing but a IDE SATA disk. There is a difference between SATA and IDE. You see the port number. You see the SATA power, SATA data, power. So this is nothing but a SATA hard disk. Okay. So when we use the IDE hard disk, you see, so IDE hard disk is related to the ports. So this is nothing but a IDE hard disk. So what to do with the old IDE hard drive? This is a old IDE hard drive with the ports. So the SATA disk is nothing but there is a SATA port. Okay. So this is the SATA port. So RAM also same like, right? RAM SATA port. You see? Yeah. You see? RAM also something like it's related to SATA port. It's related to SATA port only, right? Okay. SATA disk. So SATA disk 1, SATA disk 2, SATA disk 3. So in Linux, what we call it as, so 1 is nothing but A, 2 is nothing but B, 3 is nothing but C. Guys, what is the naming convention? SDA. right? The first hard disk is SDA, second hard disk is SDB, okay? Third hard disk is SDC. What is the fourth hard disk name? If it is available, SDE,
STD.
SDD, okay? So if it is another hard disk, SDE, guys. So where is this disk information will be available under which directory, guys? This disk information will be available under which directory? Slash dev. Guys, the naming convention should be slash dev SDA. Next one, slash dev. Yeah, tell me, SDB.
Slash dev SDC slash dev STD.
Yes, very good. Slash dev, slash dev SDC slash dev SDT. Guys, now you understood the naming convention. So naming convention of the hard disk is slash dev SDA slash dev SDB slash dev SDC slash dev SDT. Okay. So while installing the OS, we added one hard disk. So what is the naming convention, guys? The naming convention is slash dev SDA. So slash dev SDA. Let's see. Yeah. So now you understood. So slash dev SDA slash dev SDB. Let's check it. What is this shit, guys? Done now. Yeah, there is a session time now. We see to icon user sudo su lsblk. So it is showing xvda, right? Because of this is a Amazon show. What is that? Yeah, one second. Okay. New session 192.168.56.111 appearance change bold anything. Okay. Okay. Next, open. Okay. What is that? Root red hat. Okay. LSBLK. So what is LSBLK, guys? LSBLK is nothing but a list of block devices. So what is that? List of block devices. What is the command, guys? So command is ls. What is the hard disk naming convention? Slash dev SDA slash dev SDB slash dev SDC slash dev SDD. Okay. Slash dev SDD. 1 second, guys. Yeah, guys. This is nothing but a physical hard disk one, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now you understood, right? So in the first hard disk, OS is installed. OS is installed.